How to unblock someone on Facebook. So if you want to unblock someone on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Open up your Facebook. You need to go with search, which is on the top right. And here you need to just simply search for a person. For example, I'll just simply go and block this person. After blocking the user, now if you want to unblock the same person, then what you need to do is go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to search for blocked. If you don't find it, then you can just simply go back and search for the same person, or you can also search for blocking, which will give you blocked people right here. So you need to tap on it and it will take you to the block list. Now go with unblock, which is on the right side, and tap on unblock again, and the person has been unblocked. That's how you can unblock someone on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.